Hello, dust-free dragon displayers. I am building this display shelf for my dragons, and the instructions were not that helpful. So I figured it out, and you got to make sure that these pieces that are concave on the bottom and flat on the top, on the bottom goes the one that just has the groove on the top, and at the top, sorry about that, just the groove on the bottom, right, and flat on the top. And then it's easiest to put the screws all in one side. It does show you that in the picture. And then what'll happen is I'll slide in the plexiglass, and it gives you a pair of gloves so you don't get fingerprints on the plexiglass as you install it. And then what you do is these panels are going to be the doors, and you're going to put a couple pegs in it. Let's see, I got one done. Let me find it. One with the pegs in it already. Yeah, here it is. See, I've inserted these little pegs, and then this is going to go down in here. It's going to be squeezed together, and then it can sit all the way up where you can pull it down, and it's got a magnetic latch. And then when you're all done, you can take the plexiglass, the peel away plastic off the plexiglass that's been painted around the edges, so it looks nice and clear. Now, probably they put the plexiglass in the back because it was the cheapest way to go. This was $109 display unit, so the cheapest you could get. These ones were ending up costing $60 a piece, and I used to pay $40, so I've decided to do something else. This thing is like 16 by 13 by 6 foot tall. And then I'll flip it over onto this side, and I'll slide all the plexiglass in wearing the gloves, and I'll bolt the other top to it. And then put in all the, well, I'll probably put in all of these panels before I put the top in, so it'll be sandwiched together on that pin, because it'll probably be difficult to put in once it's done. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, and how my dragons look in it. And it'll be called Dust Free, whatever number I'm on right now. Thank you, dragon displaying shelf builders. Have a great night.